Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can you change your store Shopify currency. All you have to do is follow these quick and easy steps and don't skip out any part of the video. So the first thing you need to do is click on the store that you want to edit the currency. You can do that by clicking on this arrow, selecting the store that you want. Let's go with the first one for the purpose of this tutorial. And once you have done that, you need to click on settings in the bottom left corner. And the first thing that pops up is the store details. And as you can see, currently it has been set to my currency. So let's just say I want to change it. You can do it very easily. You can also change the formatting. As you can see, it is currently set to PKR and rupees. So let's just change it. You can do that by clicking on these arrows and selecting the currency that you want. Let's look for United States dollar. As you can see, it is the first option, and once you click it, it will automatically change all the currencies on this store. And once you click that, you need to click on save, and basically it will change every currency in your Shopify store. As you can see, even in the formatting, now it appears with dollar sign and United States dollar. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time.